Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know who are the latest followers on Instagram. So first thing we need to do here is open up your Instagram application here and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner, and from here click on followers. Now in this page here you should be able to see three tabs, which is followers, following and subscriptions. In this case, in the followers page you should be able to see all the followers that you currently have. Now the great thing about your Instagram here, they actually list all your followers in a way they actually follow you. In this case, the people who recently followed you is going to be at the very top, and the people who actually followed you for a long time, they should appear at the very bottom. Now in this case, the people who are the top, they are going to be the recent followers. The bottom is going to be the oldest followers for your account. Now I just have to warn you, if you are going to visit other people's their profile, their followers page, you might not see all the followers that they have. So in this case you won't have a full list on that, but for your account here you should be able to see all of them in here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.